Yes, good morning, students. This is your English lecture. Okay, open your English literature book on page number 21, chapter number 3rd, that is the one straw millionaire. The one straw millionaire. Yes, students, in the previous lecture, we have read that a penniless man was lived in Japan. Okay, a penniless man was lived in Japan. He was very upset. So one day he prayed to God for giving him good luck. On that day, God came in his dream, okay, and said that in early morning you will halt something, okay, and go west. He did as like the God said to him on the way. He gave a flowers to a child and oranges to mistress. Okay. And today we read that the lady eats a couple of oranges and starts feeling better. What's your page number? Open your page number 21. The lady eats a couple of oranges and starts feeling better. Okay. Having the oranges have made me feel better. Okay. Thank you. I will never forget your kindness. Clear? Please take these rolls of silk. Yes. Yes, students, after eating the oranges, okay, the lady says that oranges have made me feel better. Okay, oranges made me feel better. Thank you. I will never forget your kindness. Okay, please take these rolls of seeds. Next is, so he continued on his way west and met a samurai. Okay, samurai means, yes, samurai, and yes, okay, yes, an ancient Japanese warrior, an ancient Japanese warrior. Okay, so he continued on his way west and met a samurai. I will trade my horse for the bundles. Okay, trade means exchange. Yes, trade means exchange. I will trade my horse for the bundles of silk you are carrying. Samurai says that I will trade my horse for the bundles of silk and you are carrying. Then the young man says that, but that horse is dead. Okay, young man says that horse is dead. Okay, no, he is not dead. He is just resting. Okay, the samurai says that samurai replies that no, he is not. He is just resting. Okay. Next, just my luck to be stranded with the tied horse. Okay. Just my luck to be stranded with the tied horse. No worries, I will take him in. Yes. Students, young man says that my luck to be with this tied horse. Okay, young man says that my luck to be with this tied horse. No worries, I will take him in. Okay. Yes, stranded means, what is the meaning of stranded? Stranded means left without the means of moving anywhere. Okay. Now students, open your page number 22. Yes. Page number 22. Once the horse was rested. Okay. Once the horse was rested, they went on walking till they came across a mansion. Mansion. Okay. Mansion means a large house. Okay. One day the horse was rested, students, but they went on walking till they came across a large house. Okay. Now, yes. Now you are rested. Let's see if I can get you some food and shelter for the night. Okay. Now that you are rested, let's see if I can get you some food and shelter for the night. Yes. The young man says to the horse, yes. The young man says to the horse that you take a rest. Okay. Now you take a rest. Let's see if I can get you some food and shelter for night. Yes. Next is the owner of the mansion, a rich merchant. Okay. A rich merchant met him. The owner of mansion, which was a merchant, met him. What a fine horse. Okay. He saw two horses and then he says, what a fine horse. Okay, what a, yes. I will give you 1,000 pieces of gold for it. Okay. He says to young man, okay, what a fine horse, and I will give you 1,000 pieces of gold for it. Clear? Okay. Next is, on hearing this offer, the young man fainted in shock. Yes. On hearing this offer, the young man fainted in shock. Fainted means, students? Yes. Lacking of oxygen to living things. Fainted means lacking of oxygen, shortage of oxygen. Okay. To living things. Okay. I say, yes. I say, are you all right, daughter? This man has fainted. Okay. This man has fainted. Bring some water and blanket. Okay. The owner says that. The owner says to young man says that. Are you all right? Okay. Daughter, this man has fainted. Bring some water and a blanket. Now students, open your page number 23. Yes, this is your page number 23. Okay. Fathers. Yes. Father, this man is the man who helped me with the oranges. But the daughter says that, Father, this man is the man who helped me with the oranges. Okay. Nice to see you again, young lady. Young man says to lady that, nice to see you again, young lady. Okay. Next. Next is, you seem to be a kind-hearted fellow. Okay. I have been looking for a match for my daughter. Okay. I have been looking for a good match. Good match means a good wife for my daughter. Okay. The owner says that. Okay. Who is the father of lady? Okay. Father says that, you seem to be a kind-hearted man and I have been looking for match for my daughter. I had like to give you her hand in marriage and make you the heir to my estate. Okay. I had like to give you her hand in marriage and make you heir to my estate. Heir means someone who will inherit all the property or money when its owner dies. Okay, here means someone who will inherit all the property or money when its owner dies. And estate means property. Okay, estate means properties. Then the young man says that, I will never let you down, sir. Let down means disappointed. Okay, yes. I will never let you down, sir.